To start, we're going to change one of the sounds. Simply go over to your hierarchy, go down to the Canvas game object, and select it. In the inspector on the right side, you can scroll down all the way down to the bottom to the card, match, and score script. This will have majority of your sounds. If it's not here, it's going to be in the card flip script. Let's change the card flip script. This is the current sound that plays when you flip the card up. And this is the sound that plays when you flip the card back down. We're going to change this using a completely different sound. If we scroll down to the card flip, we can simply click and drag our asset into the slot that we want to change. Once we let go, it will change, and it will now sound like this. If you're having trouble finding the sound that you're looking for, simply click the dot on the right side and type the sound that you're looking for. Select it, and it's already changed. Close the box, and now it will sound like the original. Alternatively, if you don't know what the sound is called, you can click the dot on the right and you can scroll through all of your sounds. Some categories have more than one sound that can be played. Simply go to the category that you want, type in the number of sounds that you want to play, press enter, and you will have 3 slots show up if you type in 3. Simply drag over your card, press the circle, and search for it. If you have more sounds than you want it to have, you can type in a lower number and it will resize. If you don't have enough sound slots for the sounds that you have, type in a bigger number and drag in the new sounds. If you don't want any sound to play, simply type in 0. For the current settings, there are 0 sounds for a 1 sound. Instead, it continues playing the song and it plays a simple sound after you've completed the game.